Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Roblox account and verify your email so settings stick. Once done, turn on two-step verification to protect access. Then open Roblox Studio and load the experience you intend to make private. You're doing this now because ownership and verification let you change access. Make sure you have developer permissions for that experience. Without them, the next steps won't appear. Save a backup copy of your place before changing access settings. You now navigate to the experience settings in Roblox Studio or on the website and open the Privacy or Permissions tab. Once there, choose Private or Friends Only and explicitly remove any /all users or public access. If you need specific collaborators, add them by username or group with explicit roles. This maintains dev access while blocking everyone else. Make sure to save and publish changes. Then test with a secondary account to confirm the experience is inaccessible to the public. You finish by publishing the experience and immediately testing it with an alternate account or incognito browser to verify privacy. If someone still sees it, recheck group roles and group game permissions because inherited settings can override place privacy. Make sure no secondary places are still published publicly. If issues continue, clear your browser cache, wait a few minutes for changes to propagate, then republish. This often resolves sync problems and ensures your private mode is actually enforced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.